Today we discuss about what is reaction intermediates. This is a part 1. In this video we will discuss what is the carbocation, how it forms, stability and various important properties of a carbocation. Before start with the reaction intermediates, we should know what is a bond cleavage. Normally there are the two types of bond cleavage. One is the homolytic bond cleavage, another one is the heterolytic bond cleavage. Bond cleavage is nothing but the breaking of a bond. Okay, breaking of a bond is nothing but the bond cleavage. Sometimes it is also known as a bond fission. Okay, bond fission. Now, first we will discuss what is the heterolytic bond cleavage or fission. What is the heterolytic bond cleavage? The unequal distribution of electron takes place during the bond cleavage. Unequal distribution of electron takes place during the bond cleavage is known as a heterolytic bond cleavage. So the question is that how it is formed, how unequal distribution of electron takes place. For this, here we example the two persons are bonded with each other by the sharing of electrons. Out of two, one is carry more electronegativity, another one is carry the less electronegativity. Those who are having the more electronegativity, what he do? He pull the electron, all the bonded electron towards itself, so that this carry the more electrons as compared to other. So the person, those who are having the more electron is carry the negative charge, and those who are having the less electron is carry the what? Positive charge. And by this way there is a formation of what? Either carbocation will take place or a carbanion. The important is that during the heterolytic bond fission, there are the only two species will form, that is a carbocation as well as a carbanion. This is very important. Okay. Next, we will discuss what is the homolytic bond fission. Now, in this example again, there are the two persons bonded with each other by the sharing of electrons. Now, both are having the same electronegativity, so that during the bond cleavage, there is no one carry the extra electron. Okay, they will get their share electron respectively. So in homolytic bond cleavage means what? Equal distribution of electron takes place when there is a bond breaking. Equal distribution of what? Electrons. In this example, see, the both are neither carry positive charge, neither carry a what? Negative charge. These are the chargeless quantity. Sometimes also it is known as a free radical. So again, most important is what? During the homolytic bond cleavage, there is only formation of what? Free radical. Remember one point, heterolytic bond cleavage results in the carbocation, carbanion, whereas the free radical results in what? Results due to what? Homolytic bond cleavage. This is a very important. Okay. Now, carbocation. In this example, we that the species those who are more electronegative, it electron, so that p orbital get empty. P orbital get empty. This is a very important. Now we the electron, there are 6 electrons. It is empty. The carbocation is what? Electron efficient in nature, as well as it carries 6 electron, because they are octet, they require 2 electrons. Okay, for a step here is only 6 electrons, so that these are the more deficient. Okay, these are the more electron deficient. Now, carbocation, this is the most important. So many times questions are come from this. What is the carbocation properties? Now, due to the presence of a orbital, the hybridization state of this is hybridization state is what? sp2. Next, all electrons is paired. Now see, all the electrons, due to this presence of a paired electron, the carbocation diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. There is one animation, that is the carbocation is repelled from a magnetic field. It is repelled from what? Magnetic field. This is a diamagnetic property. Next, due to the sp2 hybridization, this carbocation is having the trigonal planar geometry with 120 bond angle. With 120 bond angle. All these points are very, very important. Okay. Now, stability of a carbocation. This is also very important, because so many times questions are come in the form of a reaction mechanism. Okay, which will give the fast reaction, which will give the very less reaction, very low reactions, very slow reactions. For that we should know the stability of reaction intermediates. Now, in the case of a carbocation, here the example of tertiary, secondary, primary and methyl carbocation. The stability of carbocation, firstly, most of the time, it deals with the presence of an inductive effect. If suppose there is a more I effect, that is plus I effect, the carbocation is more stable. Inductive effect, what is the plus I effect? Electron donating group is attached, so that there is a plus I effect. In this example, we see that in the case of a tertiary carbocation, there are the three routes where the electron can be donated to the carbon which is carry a positive charge. In the case of a secondary, there are the only two routes where, because there are the only two electron donating groups where the electron get to the carbon which is a positively charged. In the case of a primary, from the only one side, but in the case of a methyl, there is a no electron donating group. So that here first we discuss plus I effect. From tertiary to methyl, there is a decrease in the plus I effect. Remember, from tertiary to methyl, there is a decrease in plus I effect, and due to decrease in plus I effect, the stability also decreases. So that tertiary is more stable as compared to secondary, as compared to primary, as compared to. Now, next, the carbocation stability. Second factor, due to the resonance also, the carbocation is stable. Now, in case of a first example, we see that there is a CH2 double bond CH2 which is carry a positive charge. Here pi electron can be shifted easily, so that positive charge can shift, and this is known as a resonance, or sometimes it is also known as a mesomer. Okay, but preferably I say that this is a resonance. This is a more stable as compared to other two species. See, in the second case, there is all are the sigma bonded. We know that the sigma bonded can be delocalized, only pi bond can be delocalized. So like that, first example, second example is also there, third example is also so. The due to the resonance, these are the stability. Okay. Next, we will discuss how the carbocation will form. These are the some examples. Now see the example. First example, due to the ionization. Second example, due to the protonation. Next one is the protonation of a bond pair of electron. This is the reactions by electrophilic attack of alkyl halide. Next one is the by decomposition of a diazonium salt. These are the reactions. Now, next, how carbocation will form. Next one we will also see that. Last example, by the attack of what? Superacid. Okay, this is also example. Okay, this is also very example. Now, we will see which type of reaction takes place where the carbocation will form. This is also important. The first one is the loss of proton. Due to this, there is a formation of a carbocation. Combination of a nucleophile. This is also results in the formation of carbocation. Addition to an alkene. Remember that addition to an alkene. This is also generates the carbocation. Now, next we will discuss in a carbocation there is a rearrangement. Why rearrangement takes place? Due to the stability of a compound. In the first example, there is a hydride shift. Hydride shift must remember one thing. Hydride means what? H minus, not H plus. Hydride is H minus. In the first example, we see that there is a primary carbocation, and beside the primary carbocation, there is a secondary carbon. If suppose this positive charge shifted to a second, remember, suppose shifted to a second, there is a formation of a secondary carbocation. There is a formation of what? Secondary carbocation. And due to this secondary carbocation, the compound is a more stable, so that there is a hydride shift. Second example, like that, there is a methyl shift for the stability of tertiary carbocation. Next one is the aryl shift. We know that due to the resonance, the compound will be the more stable, so that next one is what? Aryl shift. Okay, thank you. And try to solve multiple choice question just below this, and try to attempt. You can attempt this question so many times. You can also get the correct answer, wrong answer same time after the submission. Okay, and most important thing is that